God, please.
What is it?
Please. 2 years ago, is where my mum has access. Please.
This is actually...
Please.
Just take it.
Well, the thing is, a night about to get home safe. This is because he's done it often. I would leave my personal space. I confronted Brian directly when at first he denied everything, did something and was due to return it to me. What advice would you You've tried to be in the same reality.
Yes.
Is finances.
Yeah.
Like, because it can cause maybe we'll have to live this way over your head. And you're noticing in a build a life together, that's a massive as well. And the thing is, because he was thinking he was getting away with stealing the cash for all this time, you know, if he ever asks you help, as long as your setup takes you out, sis, we have to...
Minutes every morning, you'll get the headlines that you need from Canada and around the world to tell you what's going on and help you make sense of it all. Join me.
Here with the shoes that she has bought for Christmas.
I just made a cake because I got the ingredients weeks ago and I was like, I'm gonna bake that cake, and then I never did, so I felt bad. So I was sitting here watching Selling Sunset, the first episode of season 8, and suddenly I remembered that I have the ingredients, so I just stopped and got up and baked the cake. And then we had run out of lemon juice, so I just squeezed some lemon juice. That was super easy. I have an electric juicer. And now I'm here. I just cleaned everything up and the cake's in the oven. I'll show you when it's done. And I just want to show you actually my Sephora order and the new book that I'm reading. I just finished Wildfire. This is the book. It was pretty good. I mean, Hannah Grace, this is the second book of hers that I've read. I've read Icebreaker and Wildfire, and Icebreaker was definitely better, but this was good as well. And then I tried to reread A Court of Thorns and Roses and listen to it on audiobook, but I think I need to give it like a year or two before I get back into it. The thing is, I read book 1, loved it, read book 2, but I didn't really enjoy it because I spent like months on it and I kept like forgetting about it and then getting back to it. So I ended up not enjoying it, and I heard so much hype about it being like the best book of the series. So then I felt FOMO and wanted to reread, to re-experience it, but I just can't get into it. So I need to just forget all about it for a year or 2 or 3, I don't know, and then revisit. Did I read The Bodyguard before that or after? Oh, I read The Bodyguard, I think, before Wildfire. This was a pretty good book. That was cute. It's this one. It's really good as well. This one was better than Wildfire, I would say. Right now, I'm reading Collide. This book, literally just started it today. I think I read 2 pages. So I'm really into those like easy romances these days. So I have a goal of 12 books for this year. I've only read 6. So I read The House Across the Lake, which was a mystery. It was good. I enjoyed it at first, but then when it started being like weird and there were spirits involved, I just was not into it, but I finished it anyway. Then I read Love and Other Words. I don't remember a thing about it. And then Twisted Love, which was good. Another like easy romance with a little bit of spice. And then I listened to Twisted Games. I listened to Funny Story by Emily Henry. Funny Story was really nice. Twisted Games, also like a classic romance, spice, whatever. Oh, I should add Wildfire actually. I guess I didn't add it on here. So I've read 7 books so far. I've downloaded more books on the iPad, so hopefully I can get through more and get closer to my goal before the end of the year, because I read faster on the iPad and I enjoy it more. So that's what I've been doing. Anyway, I need to stop talking, but before that, I'm just gonna show you what I got from Sephora. First, the samples. I got 2 little perfumes. I always try to pick up perfumes if there's anything interesting, because I just like having the samples in my bags, especially when you're carrying a really mini bag. Those are lifesavers. So I was really gonna read this in English. Irrésistible from Givenchy, and then Flower Bomb Tiger Lily from Viktor and Rolf. So yeah, this is so cute. Got these 2, and then the main products that I just got 2. So I got the One Size Until Dawn mattifying waterproof setting spray. So I've heard great things about this. I've heard that it just sets your makeup all night long. I'm going to a wedding back home, so I really wanted to try this out there. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be hot and humid. I hope not though. I hope it's a little bit cooler, because I'm so over the heat. But yeah, super cute, teeny tiny, but it's gonna be great for my trip. And then I also needed a bronzer, which, by the way, we don't have a lot of bronzers in the drugstore, because I would have easily gotten something from the drugstore instead of paying an arm and a leg for this. But I got the NARS Laguna. Always wanted to try NARS Laguna. Now they have a full range. Before it used to be just 1 shade. This is Laguna 01. I don't know if this is the original or if it's like one of the new ones, but the packaging is just so satisfying. Look at this. I know it's not going to stay clean because it's matte, but it's stunning. And I'm excited to try it. It looks like any ordinary bronzer, to be honest, but the packaging, you know, it's like a classic. So I'm excited to try it. I don't really have, well, actually I've never tried any NARS products other than a foundation. And I remember loving it, but it expired before I finished it, so I got rid of it. I don't know why I put this back in here, but yeah. So now I can stop rambling and let you be. And I think I'm gonna go keep watching Selling Sunset until the cake is done. Husband comes home from work in about an hour and a half. Yeah, I need to shower and wash this disgustingness at some point, but yeah, house is clean. Well, not the whole house is clean. I still need to do the floors, but it's organized. I need to edit tomorrow's vlog. I completely forgot about this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that first, and otherwise I'm gonna be disappointed in myself. Oh, my eyes are starting to water because I'm gonna sneeze or cough. Okay, I'll see you later. All right, the cake's ready. Don't judge my Tupperware. Okay, and I kind of already cut a piece, so I'm gonna do another one for you. Now, moment of truth. Let's see if it cooked well. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right, it's still a little warm. My husband's gonna have a little surprise when he gets home. Well, he's not gonna be surprised because I already took a picture and sent it to him, but yum. Okay, I'm happy. Back to editing now.